Okay, previous class question number 10 given in the homework now. Completed? Okay, so what is the final answer? Just 1 minute. So in this question, mid values are required. So net profit how much? 31,000. Okay, after deducting loss on sales units. Okay, before that, correct. First calculate the net profit, then separately means record the loss on unsold units. Means here one point is given, na? Sorry, loss on units for which supply is not there. So how many units are coming that? Actually here two answers are given. First answer is net profit given. Second answer is loss on units which is not supplied. So two answers are given finally. So one answer is net profit given. One answer is loss on lost sales is given. So loss on lost sale answer given is 15,750 and net profit is given 46,800. If you deduct loss on lost sales from net profit, then that answer will come. But that is not required, na? It is opportunity cost. It is a opportunity cost. So first you should calculate net profit, then lost on sales which is not met separately you should calculate. Separate right. Okay? Because whenever demand is not met, that is opportunity cost. Only for costing decision making purpose that is used. But when you calculate net profit, in that actually it is not subtracted. Only for decision making it is taken. Okay? So ultimately answer is correct. Separate you should disclose. That's it. Actually here final answers are available. Full answers are I have to check. So final answer is matching. Now question number 11. A bakery sells. Okay, question number 11 we are starting. So online students who are attending the class. First question number 10 and net profit answer is 46,800. And loss on sales lost or lost sales. This is 15,750. So these two separate answers are required. So note this and check again. If you are not getting the answer, then message. I will solve and I will send in the group. Okay, right. So now we are starting question number 11. Right. A bakery sells a popular brand of bread. Cost price 16 and selling price 20. Shelf life is 2 days, and if it is not sold within 2 days, then it has no sale value at the end of the second day. Daily demand based on past experience is given. Demand 0 to 0, 20, 25, 35, 40, 45 again. Probabilities are given. So Random numbers, 10 random numbers are given. Using sequence, simulate the demand for next 10 days and find out total profit or loss for 10 days, assuming 35 breads are purchased every day in morning and there is a opening stock of 5 breads. Purchase the previous day. Purchase the previous day on first day morning. Assume LIFO method. So this opening stock point is important here. So what is the treatment of this point? First trial is day 1. So already this opening stock is purchased 1 day before. It means in first day trial, if this stock is not sold, then it will be ultimately your loss. Spoiled ho jayega, that will be spoiled. So there is no realizable value for this item. Ultimately this will be not carried forward for next day also. So this must be spoiled. And in closing stock also this will not come. In closing stock also this will not come. Why? Because it is spoiled. So spoiled items will not carry forward for next day. Ultimately it will be spoiled. Okay, so 2 days time given now, starting check. No sale value at the end of second day. So already 1 day completed. So in first trial it will be second day. So automatically in first trial, if it is not sold out, it should be spoiled. This is the important point. Here only mistake possible. Remaining easily we can calculate. And here LIFO method is given. So very interesting point. LIFO method means first we have to sell fresh breads. Thereafter, if demand is not fulfilled, then we have to sell from previous day stock. For example, previous day stock is 5. And how much daily they are purchasing? 35, correct? So total on first day we have 40 breads stock. But this is old stock, this is fresh stock. Suppose according to random number, here 0, 20, 25, 35, 40, 45 given. Suppose 35 I am selecting here. Okay, suppose 35 is the demand on first day. Now how much quantity we have? 40. It means 35 must be sold from this fresh stock. 35 must be sold from this fresh stock. So this 5 is not sold because this is a old stock. LIFO method, every time whenever there is a sale, sale will be done from latest purchasers, current purchasers. After this, if any shortage is there, then we have to use old stock. So as per the example, suppose according to random number, first day 35 breads demand is there. So on first day we have the stock of 40. So from 40 we can sell 35 only because demand is 35 only. Now question is, this is LIFO method. So first this 35, from 35 only it is sold from fresh stock. So it means the stock is unsold is 5. Okay, and that is coming from opening stock. It is coming from opening stock. And this 5 opening stock will be recorded in closing stock if this is not spoiled. But second day running, so second day end, this will be spoiled. So we cannot take this in your closing stock also. So here we have to open 2 columns here. One is balance quantity and one more column is closing stock quantity. In balance quantity we have to write this 5. Okay, and in closing stock quantity this 5 will not come. Why this 5 will not come? Because this is spoiled. In this way we have to develop the table. Okay, so we'll start the solution now. So question number 11. So cumulative probability first 1%, mm, random number. First what will come? This is first random number allocation. Now next is simulation. So first is day. Next is random number. Random numbers are 58, just a minute, 47, 30. Okay. Next is demand. First 58 random number demand. 35. Next. 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 Next also 35. 25. Next. 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 Opening stock. And daily they are purchasing. Sales. So these are the columns required. Okay. First opening stock, how much? Purchases. Total 40. This total is 40. Okay. Try to understand. Clear? This two items total is how much? 40. So 40 is total stock, 35 is demand. So this is LIFO method. So it will be sold from which stock now? Percentage. So this will be sold from. Okay. So sales 35 will be sold. Okay. So here you can write separate. From opening stock, anything we are selling? No. So it is 0. 0 representing what? Sale from opening stock. Plus from purchases, how much sold? 35. So balance also. From opening stock, how much coming? 5. From purchases, 0. ऐसा लिखना, easy समझ में आता है. Means this is A column समझो. This is B column समझो. Sales. First A plus B this is. From A anything sold? No. From B how much sold? 35. Balance also. From A how much balance? From B how much balance? Understand? So from A 5 coming, B 0. Now spoilage 5. Correct. Closing stock 0. Correct. Because this 5 is spoiled, so there is no closing stock now. Understand? Next, 0 opening stock. Demand 35, so purchases 35. So sales how much? 35 only. Any balance available? So this is also 0, this is also 0. Here 0, this is 0. Next 0, 35. 0 plus 20, 15. 15, correct. 15 purchases 35. Sold? 0 plus 35, correct. 15 plus 0, correct. 15, 0, correct. Because previously it is the second day spoiled. Only 2 days. So here it is spoiled. Correct. Zero plus 25, sorry. Right. So 35, yes, 5 plus 35, correct. Now out of 10, 5 sold now, so only 5 spoiled. Correct. Next. That's it. So main columns important. Columns correctly prepare, smoothly answer will come. Clear? So this is the position. Now what is required, actually using the sequence similar demand for the next 10 days and find out total profit or loss for 10 days assuming 35 breads are purchased. So here you have to calculate the profit or loss. So profit or loss is nothing but sales minus cost. Sales minus cost. So how to calculate the profit? First, how many breads are sold? This sales quantity. ये पूरा total करो. 5 plus 35 means this is 40. कहीं 35 डालेंगे उससे. 5 plus 35, this is 40. 30, including this 5. Including this 5, correct? ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో తొందరపాటు చేయకండి, కరెక్ట్ చేయండి. నిన్ననే చెప్పిన నేను. మార్కులు పోతాయి మరి. ఓవర్ రైటింగ్ చేస్తే మార్కులు కట్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు. 310 స్లోగా చేయండి, కరెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఒక 2 minutes ఎక్స్ట్రా అవుతాయి. ఓకే. సో దిస్ ఈస్ సేల్స్. నౌ there is a closing stock also. Closing stock how much? 45. So it means purchase quantity is 350. Opening stock is not required because starting opening stock only important, later on it is not important. And closing stock also ये अपना last का important है अपने को. कौन सा important है? Last वाला 10. So opening stock, because spoil has taken place here, so opening stock 5 important, closing stock 10 important. Okay. So first we have to calculate cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. So opening stock 5, purchases 350, closing stock 10. So how much? 345. So 345 into cost how much? 16. And sale value is how much? 28. So finally profit how much coming? That is the answer. Clear? चलिए लिखेंगे प्रॉफिट. Calculation of profit. First sales 310 into 20. How much? 60,000, 6200 minus cost of goods sold. This is opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. So 5, 350 minus 10 into cost per unit. Into what? Cost per unit. तो इंटू 16 कितना रहा है 545520 680. This is the profit. Sure, note this. First table completed, right? See, this is the important area. This is the important area. Okay, 310, and this opening stock and this closing stock also important. Clear? See, in another alternative way also we can calculate the profit. 5 opening stock into 16 cost, then 350 into 16 cost. This is total cost, and closing stock 10. So this is a item of income. So sale plus closing stock, opening stock purchase debit. Opening stock purchase debit, sale closing stock credit. In that way also we can calculate the profit. So opening stock 5, purchases 350. So total 355. 355 into 16. 355 into 16. How much? 5680. This is cost. Now sale 310 into 20. 310 into 20, 6200. And closing stock is 10 into 16. So 6200 plus 10 into 16, how much? 10 into 16. So add this 6200 and 160. 6360 and 355 into 16. 355 into 16 माइनस करो उसको, सेम आंसर. दिमाग चलाना अपन, एक से खत्म हो जाता क्या फाइनल में? अपन पूरे मालूम रहना ऑप्शन अपने को. यू शुड नो ऑल द ऑप्शंस. सपोज यू प्रिपेयर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, ओपनिंग स्टॉक विल डेबिट साइड, परचेज विल डेबिट साइड, सेल क्लोजिंग स्टॉक क्रेडिट साइड. But closing stock inventory valuation will take place at cost NRV, whichever lower. So according to cost only valuation will take place. So sales credit side 310 into 20. Closing stock credit side 10 into 16. Debit side opening stock 5 into 16. Purchases 350 into 16. Okay now? This is simple, that's why I explained this. But you can calculate from alternate procedure also. So ultimately understand? Actually, now we have to start the questions on other than monetary, means profit loss, like waiting time, okay, arrival time. अब timing पे questions रहेंगे अब. Now the questions will be on time management. Okay now? Right. Actually, online students, this 680 explanation is given, that is 5 into 16. 5 into 16. Next is 350 into 16. This is your cost. Sale is 310 into 20. Then closing stock. This is 10 into 16. So 10 into 16 plus 310 into 20 is plus items. Right? Understand? चलिए, so we'll start question number 13 now. With a view to improve the quality of customer service, a bank is interested in making an assessment of waiting time of customer coming to one of its branches located in a residential area. This branch has only one teller counter. Okay. The arrival rate of customer and service rate of teller are given below. Usually in government banks, even they can facilitate by opening more number of teller counters, but willfully they will not do in some circumstances because they want to follow the strict norms. So due to this waiting time is possible. Here, time between two consecutive arrivals, probability. So this is arrival time and probability related to arrival. This is service time and probability related to service. You are required to simulate 10 arrivals of customers in system. Starting from 11 a.m. This is important point. So in bank, the official will come at 11 a.m. So he is ready to do the services from 11 a.m. So his arrival is taking place at 11 a.m. But immediately from 11 a.m. means 11 service will start, or he has to wait for customer. That depends on data. That depends on what? Data. Suppose if customer is coming to bank before 11 a.m. means from 11 services will start. Suppose if customer is coming 5-10 minutes late means services will start from 5-10 minutes later. Understand? Show waiting time of customer and idle time of teller. Idle time of teller means teller is ready to give the services but no customer is there. Teller is give to services but customer is not there. So he is waiting for customer. So waiting time of teller is called as idle time. Okay? And waiting time of customer means customer is there but teller is busy in other customer. तो बोलते हैं वेटिंग टाइम. अंडरस्टैंड? सपोज ABC 3 customers are there. Teller is busy in giving the services to A. So C should wait now. So that is the waiting time of B and C. So this is the 10 random numbers pair given. One is for arrival, one is for service. Clear? थोड़ा ध्यान से करना है इसको क्योंकि मिनट्स आएंगे इसमें अब. व्हाट विल कम? मिनट्स. तो ध्यान से करना है थोड़ा, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. चलिए फर्स्ट विल प्रिपेयर दी सिमुलेशन. देखिए 99.9% ऑफ योर स्टडी मटेरियल क्वेश्चंस आर कवर्ड हियर. 99.9 बोल रहा हूं मैं. पूरा स्टडी मटेरियल कवर हो रहा है यहाँ पर. देख लो घर पर जाने के बाद. आप देख लेना है तो देख लो एक बार, बिकॉज फर्स्ट आई हैव चेक योर स्टडी मटेरियल, देयर आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड. Fraction 0.001 y, because sometime anything can be missed. So if you follow this, definitely your study material will be completely covered. Chaliye, so first calculation is, this question is given in study material. ये स्टडी मटेरियल का ही क्वेश्चन है ये, इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, अच्छे से करो थोड़ा. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ रैंडम नंबर्स. So here two means outcomes are given. I will prepare separate. One is for arrivals, another is for service. So first time given na? Yes. चलो टाइम, probability, so first 3 minutes. probability 0.17. Yeah, 17 प्ले कर देंगे. Next, three. So first random number 9. Next 10 to 39. So this is first workings. Copy this. Six. This is. So now next table is simulation. Statement of simulation for idle time and waiting time. वही पूछ रहा है क्वेश्चन में. random number arrival 11, this is random numbers for arrival. Okay. रैंडम नंबर सर्विस बोलिए एक बार. 56 79. सर्विस टाइम इज डिफरेंट, सर्विस स्टार्ट इज डिफरेंट. अच्छा तो ठीक है, यहाँ से निकाल देंगे एक कॉलम, सर्विस एंड बना देंगे. डबल बनाने से फ़र्क कुछ भी नहीं पड़ता है, वही आता है इधर रिजल्ट, और क्या है. वेटिंग आइडल. idle time. Okay, so this is the requirement. Clear? Now first random number for arrivals completed now. So according to random number table, what is the time? 11 am. कब आ रहा है उन्होंने? 11 am. देखिए एक्चुअली सर्विस स्टार्टेड एट what time? 11:03. but it came at what time? 11. तो वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू रैंडम नंबर 11, व्हाट इज द अराइवल टाइम? 3. So it means 11 am officials are coming, but service starting from 11:03. 11:03. तो फर्स्ट ये तो लिख दो, टेंशन मत लो आप. क्या है ये बोलिए? 3, 10, 7. Next. Okay. Now he started the service at 11 am. But when this will be completed? When customer is coming and he's starting the service. So service started from 11 am. Service is started from 11 am. Clear? So this is started from 11 am. Clear? But here time is 3 minutes. So actual service started from 11:03. Actual service started from 11:03. This is the arrival time of bank official. This is the arrival time of bank official. So actual service started from 11:03. So arrival time of bank official is 11, but service started from 11:03. Okay, so here you can make 2 columns, no problem. तो 2 कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं आप. So first is arrival, next service starts. Okay, सर्विस स्टार्टेड. थोड़ा उसको ब्रॉड कर देंगे 1 मिनट. Actually, in every sum, this table will change. So this is only important here. हो जाएगा. चलिए, सर्विस स्टार्ट. ओके, अब थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. तो डायरेक्ट एक कॉलम मिस करने से प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. तो अराइवल 11 हो गया हो, एंड स्टार्टेड द सर्विस फ्रॉम 11:03. ओके, चलिए सर्विस टाइम. सर्विस टाइम हाउ मच? 56 रैंडम नंबर. सर्विस कब एंड होगा ये? 7:08. कस्टमर को वेट करना पड़ा? नो. एडल्ट 3. इट विल बी इजी. क्लियर? So once again I am repeating, random number for arrival is 3, means 3 minutes. Actually bank official is coming at 11, okay, and he started this service from 11:03. 11:03 means he is ready for service. Arrival means he is ready for service, but is starting the service at 11:03. Thereafter, according to service random number, service time 5 minutes required. So in 11:03, if you add 5 minutes, service will be end on 11:08. So it means customer is not waiting here, but bank official is idle for 3 minutes from this time to this time. Understand? Okay. Now next is what? अब यहाँ पर देखिए random number for arrival is 23. So arrival time is 4 minutes. 4 minutes आ रहा है. क्लियर? तो भैया क्या लिखेंगे बोलिए? 11:07. Why 11:07? Because 11 arrival previously, but now 3 minutes already taken for first customer. Now second customer is 11 means coming at 11:07. But 11:07 से start करेंगे सर्विस? No. 11:08 will start. This column is important. यहाँ मिस्टेक होता है देखिए. This is very important calculation. Okay, right. Next service time 11:13. Now why 11:13 is coming? Service started from 11:08 and service time 5 minutes, so service will end at 11:13. So customer is waiting how much minute? Idle time? No. Now next here 11:14, correct. Service will start from 11:14. 11:13 तक तो बिजी था उन्होंने, कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे सर्विस? तो सर्विस विल स्टार्ट एट 11:14. और सर्विस टाइम 6 minutes. एंडिंग वेटिंग टाइम 1. Why idle time 1? Because this services ended on 11:13 but started from 11:14. So 1 minute gap आ गया उसको, right? Next 11:20 started because previous service ended on 11:20 now, so this will start at 11:20. 3 minutes. At waiting 0. Next 11 because service ended at 11:23 but here arrival time is 11:27, so he'll start also from 11:27. कस्टमर ने तो कैसे 11:23 पे स्टार्ट करेंगे और एंड करेंगे? इफ कस्टमर इज रेडी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 11:23 but customer is not there because customer timing is what? 11:27. Understand? Here timing 11:23 to 11:27. How much waiting? बराबर है ना, right? Because teller is waiting ना, customer is not waiting, teller waiting. Next next we'll start at 11:40. कस्टमर 11:40 को है ना. नेक्स्ट कस्टमर वेटिंग करेक्ट. $11 0 11 waiting time 2 minutes. Yes, that's it. तो वेटिंग टाइम का टोटल करो. आइडल टाइम ये आंसर देना आपको, खत्म. मेन डैमेज होने वाला एरिया बोल दिया मैं आपको, ये है, यहाँ सही करना बस. बिकॉज प्रीवियसली सर्विस स्टार्टेड एट 11:03 and ended at 11:08 but next customer is coming at immediately after 4 minutes of first customer, so it means next customer is ready for service at 11:07 but he'll receive this service from 11:08. उन्होंने कब से सर्विस रिसीव करेगा? 11:08 से. आएगा 11:07 पर बट मिलेगा सर्विस 11:08 से. वहाँ करेक्ट है, बराबर. तो नोट दिस. यस, कुछ चेक कर लो. और any point where any confusion is there? ऐसा नहीं, ये अलग है जी. ये कस्टमर का है, ये कस्टमर का है, ये कस्टमर का है. ये जो है बैंक वाला कब से बैठा हुआ है तैयार, वहां से है. तो ये नहीं बनाएंगे तो तुम्हारे को बैंक वाला खाली बैठे से नहीं आएगा ना. अगर तुम ये कॉलम नहीं बनाएंगे, सपोज इफ यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग दिस कॉलम, सो डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस कॉलम एंड दिस कॉलम इज व्हाट? आइडल टाइम। सी, अगर ये कॉलम नहीं बनाए आप, क्या होता सुनो, दिस इज 11 ना, इज स्टार्टिंग सर्विस फ्रॉम 11:03, सो आइडल टाइम नहीं आएगा फिर आपको। फिफ्थ ट्रायल, हाँ बोलो। देखिए 11:20 पे प्रीवियस कस्टमर आया था, प्रीवियसली ही इज रेडी फॉर 11:20 ना। ये देखिए प्रीवियस कस्टमर सर्विस स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 11:20 एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू बैंक ऑफिशियल 11:20। ओके, देखो भाई इसमें ऐड होते रहता है क्यूमुलेटिवली। सुनो इधर 11 है, सर्विस स्टार्टेड एट 11:03 बराबर, तो नेक्स्ट कस्टमर कमिंग एट 11:04, सॉरी 4 minutes, so first customer service time required 3 minutes, next customer service time required 4 minutes, so 11:03 and then plus 4, तो कितना हो गया? 11:07, 11:07 हुआ ना। now next why this 11:07 is coming? because he started this service at 11:03 but he is completing the service at 11:08, but next customer is coming at immediately 4 minutes after first service। फर्स्ट कस्टमर के इमीडिएटली 4 minutes बाद नेक्स्ट कस्टमर आ रहा है। आफ्टर फर्स्ट कस्टमर अराइवल नेक्स्ट कस्टमर अराइवल इज 4, तो फर्स्ट कस्टमर टाइम इज 11 एंड ही इज रिक्वायरिंग 3 minutes टाइम, सो 3 + 4 कितना हो गया? ये 7 हो गया है। ये 7 + 7 14 + 6 20 + 7 27 + 6 33 + 7 40 + 4 5 + ये आता है। वो बनाना ज़रूरी है, वो नहीं बनाए तो फिर आपको वेटिंग आइडल टाइम नहीं आता, इसलिए एक्स्ट्रा बनाया कॉलम है वो। विदाउट दैट इफ यू सॉल्व आइडल टाइम कैलकुलेशन विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू, अंडरस्टैंड? इट मीन्स व्हाट? फर्स्ट कस्टमर इज कमिंग एट 11:03, फर्स्ट कस्टमर कितने बजे आ रहा है? लेकिन सेकेंड कस्टमर आ रहा है 11:07 पर, थर्ड कस्टमर इज कमिंग एट 11:14, ये कस्टमर का अराइवल है ये। ओके, सो बैंक ऑफिशियल कमिंग एट 11, सो मीन्स बैंक ऑफिशियल वेटिंग फॉर 3 minutes। अब उसके बाद बैंक ऑफिशियल एंडिंग द सर्विस एट व्हाट टाइम? 11:08, तो बैंक ऑफिशियल यहाँ पे तैयार कब बैठा हुआ है? 11:08, कस्टमर इज तैयार एट 11:07, तो कस्टमर वेटिंग ऑफिशियल वेटिंग कस्टमर वेटिंग, तो कस्टमर में आएगा 1 minute। अब सपोज नेक्स्ट ट्रायल 11:14 है ये। ओके, सो 11:08 ही स्टार्टेड द सर्विस, नाउ एट व्हाट टाइम इज कंप्लीटिंग? 11:13, 11:13 को कंप्लीट कर रहा है उन्होंने। ओके, 11:13 कंप्लीट कर रहा है ना, तो नेक्स्ट विल स्टार्ट एट 11:13, बट कस्टमर इज कमिंग एट व्हाट टाइम? 11:14, तो 11:14 को स्टार्ट करेंगे उन्होंने। देखिए इधर एंडिंग द सर्विस ऑन 11:13। ओके, so it means customer is coming at 11:14, so he'll start this service at 11:14 no, sorry, yes, 11:13 को नहीं करेंगे, 11:14 को करेंगे उन्होंने। so here he is waiting for 1 minute or not? previous time and this time देखो 11:13 को कंप्लीट हुआ था, स्टार्ट कब कर रहा हूँ? तो 1 minute वेटिंग में आ रहा है उसका, मीन्स आइडल, अंडरस्टैंड? चलिए, मेन आपको क्या बोला मैं, यहां गड़बड़ होती, ये डब्बा ये सही डालना है इधर, वो सही डाल तो पूरा सही आएगा। चलिए ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, एनी डाउट्स, क्वेरीज? Now question number 14 is exactly same. You can solve in homework. Suppose if you are confusing from this first this point, you can do one thing. ये 11 यहाँ ऊपर कॉलम में लिख दो, यहाँ 11 3 डाल दो, खत्म हो जाता. बट 11 एंड 11 3 डिफरेंस यू विल कंफ्यूज, इसलिए मैं आपको यहाँ डाला वो फर्स्ट ट्रायल में, समझे ना. तो हियर अगर यहाँ 11 डाल दिए ऊपर आप, सपोज हियर इफ यू राइट 11 AM, सो 11 AM, सो हियर 3, सो 11 3 हो जाएगा. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 11 3. सो दिस एंड दिस यू शुड कंपेयर, ये कंपेयर करना पड़ता है. तो 3 minutes विल कम. ओके, सो वाई दैट? डायरेक्टली कुछ फ्रॉम दिस ओनली यू कैन कंपेयर ना, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलिए ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट क्वेरी प्लीज मैसेज हियर. Even though these topics are looking like simple, but students should be very careful here. There is a possibility of mistake here. Okay. Already I explained now कि this you should take 11 here. यहाँ पे 11 डाल दो भाई, क्यों इतने परेशान हो रहे हैं? यहाँ डाल दो 11, यहाँ डाल दो 11 3, हो जाता है खत्म. परेशान क्यों हो रहे हैं? ऐसा चेंज कर दूँ क्या ना? तो ओके, हियर 11 3 लिख दो, Here 11 लिख लो. This 11 representing what? Bank official coming at 11. Bank official coming at 11. Now service started from 11:03. Then you should compare कि 3 minutes idle time. Okay. No, one student is confusing, sir. First 3 is not coming ना, direct 7 coming. उन्होंने क्या बोल रहा है? बोलते फर्स्ट यहाँ पे 11 से 11 7 हो जा रहा ना, तो 11 3 लिखे तो बेहतर रहेगा. ठीक है, 11 3 लिख लो. ओके. Only for understanding purpose I recorded 11 here, but actually service starts from 11:03. So for comparison purpose, this 11 and 11:03 is easy. ये easy रहेगा आपको. This and this. That's why I recorded 11 here. On cumulative basis, this will be correct. 11:03, 11:07, 11:14. Right? तो चेंज कर लो. फर्स्ट थोड़ा ऊपर बॉक्स में डाल दो. राइट. फाइनल आंसर इज नॉट चेंजिंग. दैट विल सेम. That will remain same. Okay. चलिए. So question number 14 is homework. Now doubt clear? Right. Right. So this is homework. Same question. Only 9 AM start हो रहा है. वो किससे start हो रहा है? 9 AM से. Right. Timing is given, so solve this. And here arrival time, service time 1 2 3 4 ही दिया है वो. Double tables actually here also required, because in previous sum also दोनों सेम ही थे देखो, but दो बॉक्स अलग अलग बनाया हो. Right? Here directly given. Clear? So don't confuse from this. So first random number table required for arrival, then random number table required for service. Question number 15. This is also study material question. This is also study material question. Right? So we will start question number 15 now. XYZ Scientific Equipment Manufacturing Company is engaged in producing different types of high class equipment for use in scientific laboratories. The company has 2 different assembly lines to produce its product. The processing time for each of the assembly lines is regarded as random number and described by following distributions. Okay. So processing time is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Assembly probabilities A1 given, assembly probabilities A2 given. Using the following random numbers, generate data on process time for 15 units of items. So 15 trials given. 15 trial दिया है उसने. कितने दिया है? So this is 34 for A1, 41 is A2. So this is pair. These numbers are what? Pairs. For the purpose, read the numbers horizontally, taking first 2 digits for processing time on assembly A1, last 2 digits for processing time on assembly A2. So we have to calculate processing time. What we have to calculate? Processing time for A2, A1 combinedly. First we have to calculate for A1, then we have to calculate for A2 total. Total time how much taken? तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन है ये, तो कोई खास बात नहीं. Statement of random number allocations. And one more thing, day by day students have to practice these questions. Otherwise जो पढ़े वो जल्दी निकल भी जाता है माइंड से. खास करके कहाँ पर वो कल वाला बुक्स वाला क्वेश्चन करे, ऐसे क्वेश्चन फिर दिमाग से हट जाते हैं. थोड़ा रिदम में रहना पड़ता है उसको. तो प्रोसेसिंग टाइम, दोनों एक ही में कर देंगे ना, असेंबली A1 असेंबली A2। दिस इज रैंडम नंबर। तो फर्स्ट वी आर डूइंग फॉर A1, नेक्स्ट A2। तो ये है A1 प्रोबेबिलिटी, ओके। इस टाइम समझिए क्या ये टाइम, क्यूमुलेटिव प्रोबेबिलिटी, रैंडम नंबर। दिस इज ऑल्सो टाइम, प्रोबेबिलिटी, क्यूमुलेटिव प्रोबेबिलिटी, रैंडम नंबर। 20, 21, 24। चलिए फर्स्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.2, 0.05, तो 20%। टाइम हियर सेम। प्रोबेबिलिटीज 0.1, okay, this is statement of random number for assembly A1 assembly A2, okay। ये इजी क्वेश्चन है, कोई खास बात नहीं। डायरेक्टली वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट टाइम हियर बाय यूजिंग रैंडम नंबर्स। वेयर यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मीन्स लाइक वी सॉल्व वन लिफो मेथड क्वेश्चन, पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रहना पड़ता है। वन क्वेश्चन ऑफ बुक्स वी सॉल्व, इन दैट ऑल्सो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रिक्वायर्ड, एंड वेन एवर पेनाल्टी गिवन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रिक्वायर्ड। वैसे सब में कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होना। अराइवल सर्विस में भी थोड़ा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सही बढ़ाए तो फर्स्ट ट्रायल्स सही हैं, बाकी सब सही आते हैं। No, starting students are thinking that this is already intermediate type topics, so SCM is very scoring paper। 2 सब्जेक्ट खत्म होने के बाद मालूम पड़ता कितना स्कोरिंग होता। पूरा कंप्लीट ऑल चैप्टर्स SFM SCM के, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड ना, डेरिवेटिव है, फॉरेक्स मैनेजमेंट, म्यूचुअल फंड, पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट. चलिए, सो फर्स्ट वर्किंग्स कंप्लीटेड ना. How many 15 trials given, huh? क्लास खत्म होने के बाद कल का एक बहुत अच्छा किस्सा सुनाता हूँ मैं शेयर मार्केट का, पहले कंप्लीट कर देंगे इससे. चलिए, सो फर्स्ट रैंडम नंबर A1 टाइम A1 इस प्रोसेसिंग टाइम. कौन सा टाइम है ये? प्रोसेसिंग टाइम. फर्स्ट 34, 76, 1505. क्या बोल दो? 40, डबल जीरो. राइट. नाउ टाइम A1 34 coming in 24. Next 21. Okay, next. ट्वेंटी ये करेक्ट है. 7 वाला करेक्ट है. चलिए नेक्स्ट. बस अब टोटल 43. हाँ चलो ख़त्म कर दो ये. this total, this total, and this total. Okay, चलो copy this. सेवेंटीन आ रहा. A1 317. थ्री थर्टी. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 व्हेन वी सॉल्व मल्टीपल ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन है यहाँ पे. तो जनरली हियर मल्टीपल ऑप्टिमल इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, but that question can be solved from two different ways. So answers will differ. There is only one question where alternative procedure is available in random number table. Previous other questions in random number we don't have choice. According to the specification we are solving. But in question number 16 maybe two random numbers tables possible. We'll check. Although linear programming is a more important from exam point of view, but this much of concentration is not required in linear programming. फ्लैट वे में आता है वो, समझ में आया तो समझ में आता, नहीं तो खत्म हो जाता है वो. दैट इज अ वेरी फ्लैट टॉपिक. Actually heavy mathematics is involved, but easily understandable if students are properly concentrating, because procedure is routine. Procedure is यहाँ पे हर टेबल, हर प्रॉब्लम में टेबल बदल जा रहा है यहाँ पर, इसलिए दिस इज नॉट ए सिंपल टॉपिक. सिमुलेशन बच्चे समझते सिंपल है. इन एवरी प्रॉब्लम टेबल्स आर चेंजिंग. This is the reason कि exam point of view simulation is also very high important chapter. Linear programming, simulation, these two very high important, high level topics from exam point of view. See, it is looking like 40 marks area only, quantitative techniques, but topics are vast. Assignment, transportation, linear programming, simulation, okay, game theory, maxima minima, regression, time series. So almost all 10 to 12 topics are there. And weightage how much? 40. In last previous batches, many students scored exemption marks in SFM also, SCM also. One of the student score maybe All India second highest marks in SPM paper also. ऑल इंडिया हाईएस्ट था 92, उसको 87 कुछ आए थे, उसको 86 या 87 आए थे, बट मैं कभी एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं करा उसका. आई हैव नेवर एडवर्टाइज्ड. Generally, I will not mention my degrees also with my name on YouTube channel also. If my teaching is good, students understandable, today, yeah, they are not coming, but tomorrow definitely they will come. So we should concentrate on quality. The student who got 87 marks in SPM paper selected in Vedanta Limited. His starting package is 16 lakhs. स्टार्टिंग पैकेज ही 16 लाख. अभी तो 20 हो गए शायद मेरे ख्याल से, एक साल के ऊपर हो गया उसको. चलिए कंप्लीटेड. The output of production line is checked by inspector for one or more of 3 different types of defects. So here there is a processing. So 3 defects, 3 types of defects are possible here. It is called as ABC. If defect A occurs, item should be scrapped. If defect B or C occurs, items must be reworked. So there are 3 types of defects, A, B, C. If A occurring, no rework, directly scrap. If B or C occurring, rework required. So rework time on B is 15 minutes. Rework time on C is 30 minutes. Okay. Now probabilities of ABC defects 0.15, 0.2 and 0.1. Okay. 10 items coming off from assembly line. Determine the number of items without any defect. Number of items scrapped. Total minutes of rework time using following random numbers. Okay, so this is very simple question है, बहुत ही simple question है. First, what is required here? See, first you have to prepare the random number range for defect A separately, B separately, C separately. So defect A, what is mentioned here? कि defect will take place or defect will not take place. So defect yes, no. Probability, cumulative probability, random number. This is for A. Now B also, defect, probability, cumulative probability, random number. Now C also. This is rough explanation. Anyhow, we'll solve this question, don't worry. Random number, okay? So yes, no. So probability of yes, देखिए yes पहले आ सकता है, no पहले आ सकता है, कुछ भी आ सकता है. Probabilities of ABC defect है, तो ये yes पहले लिख रहा हूँ मैं. Yes probability so much 0.15, no 0.85 हो जाएगा ये. तो cumulative probability 15, this is 100. Random number 0, 2, 14, 10 to 99. Similarly here also same. Yes, no. Probability 20 given, this is 8. Zero 9, 99. Okay, this is first part we completed. Clear? Thereafter, simulation table. Simulation table is required. So, how many trials given? 10. So, first random number for defect A, random number for defect B, random number for defect C. Okay. After that, if random number for defect A 48 given here, what is given? 48. This is 47. 82. Right. Now, after this, what is required? In question they have given कि if defect A occurs, scrapped, defect B C rework. तो पहले क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? रैंडम नंबर भी रिकॉर्डेड फॉर ए बी सी. और नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड कि इफ 48 इज कवरिंग इन yes or no, yes or no. So this is defect A. B, defect C. After that स्क्रैप चाहिए या रिवर्क चाहिए. क्लियर? एंड टाइम क्लियर? So this is first trial. 48, 47, 82. So 48 yes में, no में? No. Here also no. So scrap required, rework, time dash. ऐसे ही करना है पूरा, step by step. Clear? मेन टेबल बनाना है, मेन ये सिमुलेशन का मतलब क्या है, टेबल प्रिपरेशन. सेकेंड, सेकेंड इज 55, 95. बोलिए यस नो में किस में आ रहा है? नो, ये भी नो ही है. नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट, 0. तो स्क्रैप हो रहा है, नो. रिवर्क हो रहा है, कौन सा बी हो रहा है, बी का रिवर्क है, तो टाइम ऐसा है. समझ गए? क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ. नेक्स्ट, स्क्रैप करना पड़ेगा, ए डैश. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, 7. ओके, और ऐसे ही करना है आपको 8, 9, 10 का भी. क्लियर है ना? समझ में आ गया ना? ये रेडीमेड सोल्यूशन कॉपी कर दो, टाइम टाइम वेस्ट करते. कॉन्सेप्ट अंडरस्टैंड ना? चलो उतारो फटाफट. देखिए, समझ में आएगा ना? डिफेक्ट, रिवर्क, स्क्रैप. मैं भी और नीटली बताया इधर आपको. आपको मैं 3 3 बताया कॉलम यहाँ पर. सी हियर. I prepared 3 columns here: defect A, defect B, defect C. Separate, separate I recorded. But combinedly also you can write. Suppose combinedly how to write this? In A also, B also, C also. No coming ना, तो एक ही कॉलम बना के नो लिख देना. Suppose here defect is coming in B, तो क्या लिखना आप? डिफेक्ट B लिख देना, बस खत्म. कंबाइंड कॉलम. तो 3 कॉलम्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, 1 में हो जाएगा काम. अंडरस्टैंड ना? राइट. तो वैसे ही सॉल्व करवाए, देखिए ये क्लियर. सो जहाँ पे आया उसमें लिख दिया B, जहाँ नहीं आ रहा है वहाँ नो लिख दिए. ओके, देन रिवर्क, स्क्रैप. ओके, क्लियर ना? नोट दिस. So after this topic will be over. Some workbook questions will be there. We'll discuss in the next class. Thereafter I will start one costing topic. कॉस्टिंग में इतना नहीं रहता है दिमाग चलाने का, फास्ट हो जाता है वो. दिस इज कैलकुलेशन वर्क ना, सो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, वेरी हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रिक्वायर्ड. कॉस्टिंग में कॉन्सेप्ट पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा आपको. कैलकुलेशंस विल बी लेस. कॉन्सेप्चुअल एरिया, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मोर रिक्वायर्ड. The student who selected in good companies win 16, 18 lakhs package. After 15, 20 years, their packages will be in crores rupees. So this is a very good opportunity for students ki you reach to final level. Work hard, smart means work in appropriate way. Don't delay. Try to crack the exam in first attempt. So you have very high chances in campus placement. Thereafter, your career will be 100% set. So random number allocation table completed. Online students. Completed. Now in last trial, B and C in both defect is coming. So rework required for B 15 minutes time, C 30 minutes time, so 45 minutes. So total rework time required is 45 plus 45, 90. And how many times defect is coming? 5 times. Out of 10 trials, how many times defects are coming? 5 times. So this is number of defects means 5 times this is coming now. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. And number of reworks. Reworks 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And scrap only 1. Scrap only 1. And total time 90. Number of defect means how many times defect is coming. How many times? This is 1. Concentrate. This is 2. कितने बार बोलना है वही पॉइंट 3, 4, 5. Out of 10, 5 times. Means this week generally I am planning to take class on Saturday also. Monday may be closed because of second day some Bonal procession will be there na. So Monday generally we are planning to off these sessions. On Saturday I will take the class. If Monday also possible, Monday also I will take. Sunday రోజు ఉన్నది. Sunday, Saturday no class. After results or examination we'll start the class. Mostly after exams. Saturday, Sunday class. मैं सर को मैसेज करो बोल के रात में फ़ोन करा उनको, उन्होंने फ़ोन ही लिफ्ट नहीं करे. अब मैं करूँगा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का काम भी, क्योंकि मेरे को मैसेज नहीं आया तो मैं देखा रात में, मैं इन्फॉर्म करने के लिए फ़ोन करे तो फ़ोन लिफ्ट नहीं करे उन्होंने. मैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का काम कैसा करूँ? फिर उन्होंने बोलेंगे नहीं मैं दूसरा क्लास लगा दिया बोले तो मैं रहूँगा जाऊँगा ना, तो मैं मैसेज नहीं करा. फिर मैं क्यों बोलूँ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मैटर्स भाई, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाले मैटर्स मैं क्यों शेयर करूँ आपसे? वो आपका उनका डिपार्टमेंट है वो. एक बार मैं इंटीमेट कर देता हूँ उनको कि नेक्स्ट टाइम से कभी भी क्लास नहीं है तो इन्फॉर्म कर दो बोलकर. दूसरा क्लास रहता ना शायद, उसकी वजह से ऐसा हो गया शायद. चलिए completed. Right, चलिए. So today we are completing this session here only. Next class will start the new topic. In workbook some questions are given. If any question which is not understand by you, you can check the solution. I will send the solution. In solution also working is not clear means then ask the doubts. Mostly all workbook questions are now manageable. Okay, right. So we are closing the session here only, right?